Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the VST My Stop, Bus Stop Alert app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. VST My Stop is a bus stop alert and real-time tracking app used by schools and transportation systems to help students, parents, and riders know exactly when their bus is arriving. The app provides live GPS bus locations, estimated arrival times, and automatic alerts when the bus is nearing a selected stop. It's available for iOS and Android, but only works in districts or transit systems that have partnered with the platform. The app's main feature is its live tracking interface. Users can see their bus moving on the map, receive notifications as it approaches, and plan their timing accordingly. It reduces waiting time at stops and helps parents monitor student transportation more reliably. Additional features may include route information, delay alerts, and stop-specific reminders depending on district setup. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate tracking, timely alerts, and convenience for busy mornings. Parents especially benefit from being able to see when the bus is running late or arriving early. The automatic alert system helps riders avoid missing the bus and reduces uncertainty during weather delays or schedule changes. However, there are some drawbacks. The app only works in districts that subscribe to the service, so availability is limited. Some users report occasional GPS delays or slow refresh rates, which can affect accuracy during peak hours. It also relies entirely on the school's tracking system and internet connectivity, meaning outages or weak signals may lead to unreliable updates. In summary, the VST My Stop app may be worth using if your school or transit provider supports it and you want accurate bus arrival alerts, real-time tracking, and better control over your daily commute. However, if your district doesn't participate or you prefer more independent transit tools, the app may not be essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.